keep watching. Just keep watching. Just keep watching.
In Tucker's Cove here, this Lennar community has 6 different classifications. They have townhomes, single-car garage, villas, 2-car garage, patio homes, 2-car garage, executive homes, 2-car garage, manor homes, 3-car garage, and estate homes with 3-car garages. So we are going to go into the Goodall model, and it's 22,198 square feet, and it's considered an executive home. It's in that classification because it has a 2-car garage over here. See? Let's go in and see how this looks. So in this particular model, we have the bedroom up front here, which has a very nice walk-in closet in here, which you would have seen. So it's a great feature. Walk-in closet. Now we have bath. The other thing with Lennar homes, in every bath is your linen closet. So it's not out in the hallway. That's really cool. The kitchen, Lennar, here in Babcock, you have the option to have gas, and it's brought in from Tantra Pipeline, gas stove, continuous hot water is gas, features that other communities outside of Babcock may not have. So that's one feature here. Very open living area, very nice, white, bright, the lights. You can't pass this up. But remember, this is a model home. So the curtains, the furniture, the valance over the window, the special light feature that you saw, another special light feature, those do not come in the home that you're buying. That's not part of your package. This is a model home, but it looks extremely nice. This is the 3-bedroom home. So you have the bedroom, bath, another bedroom. So we'll catch you later. Okay, we're still in Tucker Cove, and we're now going to do the Lennar's Windwood model. It's their estate home. It's actually got the 3-car garage. It is, look at this, almost 4,000 square feet, 3,945. 5 bedrooms and 4.5 baths. Let's check it out. I'm not going to walk you through this home, but I'm going to show you the highlights. It has 2 owner en-suites. So you have an en-suite on the first floor, and you have one on the second floor. both with walk-in closets, both with fabulous master baths. So let's look at this owner back over here. It is phenomenal. Look how spacious this space is. It's spacious. Huge shower area. There's nothing skimpy on this one. It is phenomenal. This particular estate home does have the pool outside. Beautiful pool. So Lennar sells the homes without the pools or with the pools. You can get the pool package. There's about plus or minus $100,000 difference. On this floor plan, the almost 4,000 square feet, it's a huge living space. You definitely have a huge open space if this is what you're looking for. Solid sliding doors. Depending on your lot location, this particular model is right on a lake field with the pool right outside of her. Beautiful package. Kitchen, quartz countertop. You notice in the estate home, this is much wider than the other one. Your choice, your lifestyle. Again, there's still gas. You got stove vented to the outside, separate oven and microwave off to the side. This is a 2-story, so we'll go upstairs. The feature up here is you have the open loft. Beautiful view down below. Your light fixtures will not be this fancy. Again, this is a model. The wall, if you caught that in some of the videos, this is the model. So it's custom. But you have open TV area. Model has a little bit of play area. A lot of things you can do up here. The second ensuite. Huge, huge. So large bath, very large bath, large shower, just huge. Can't say it anymore. Huge. Check out these 2 walk-in closets, his and hers. His is smaller, hers is bigger. And the ensuite or the owner suite, it's huge. Large owner suite bedroom. It is just huge. The other 3 bedrooms are at the other end of this hall. They're bedrooms. I have this Southwest Florida Relocation Guide. I have a digital copy and I have a hard copy. You know, if you're relocating, whether it be to Babcock Ranch or just sunny Southwest Florida, and you want a copy of this guide, which gives you, right here on this one, get the lay of the land. Business Insight, Insider's Guide to Recreation, Culture, Amenities, Boundless Opportunities. If you want a copy of this, either comment below here on the YouTube channel or on Facebook or Instagram. Let me know. I can send you a link for the digital copy, or I will put one of these in the mail if you want a hard copy. Just respond. Talk to you soon.